एवरीवन, वेलकम टू अवर चैनल। तो ये है जो कि 6 जून को है, जो कि 2 दिन बाद होने वाला है cnet का एग्ज़ाम का, तो उसके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है, ठीक है? तो इसका पीडीएफ अगर चाहिए तो हमारे टेलीग्राम चैनल पे आप जाके वहाँ से ले सकते हैं। तो चलिए फटाफट से स्टार्ट करते हैं बिना देरी का। तो पहला क्वेश्चन क्या है फिजिक्स का? विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्वांटिटी हैज़ अ यूनिट but no dimension? Strain, plane angle, relative density, refractive index. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, प्लेन एंगल। ठीक है, सेकंड क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। व्हेन अ पैसेंजर जंप आउट ऑफ द मूविंग ट्रेन ही फॉल फॉरवर्ड ड्यू टू इनर्शिया ऑफ रेस्ट, इनर्शिया ऑफ मोशन, इनर्शिया ऑफ डायरेक्शन की ग्रेविटेशनल पुल। देन करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन बी, inertia of motion. Okay, next question is question number third. If a body is moving with uniform acceleration, its displacement type graph will be straight line parallel on to a time axis, straight line inclined to time axis की parabola की hyperbola. Then correct answer option C, parabola. Okay, आगे देखते हैं। फोर्थ क्वेश्चन इज a perform can throw a ball for maximum horizontal distance to r, to what maximum height can he throw the same ball vertically? R by 2, 2R, R by 4. Then correct answer option B, R by 2. Okay, fifth question देखते हैं। For a particle performing uniform circular motion, which of the following remain constant? Velocity, acceleration, kinetic energy, momentum. Then correct answer option C, kinetic energy. Okay, आगे देखते हैं sixth question. To work done by the centripetal force acting on the body of the circular path is always positive, negative, zero, infinity. Then correct answer option C, 0. Okay, next question is seventh question. The value of acceleration due to gravity G at the center of the earth is 9.8 meter per square. Then 0, infinity, same on the surface. Then correct answer option B, 0. Okay, 8 question देखते हैं। When two capillary tubes of a distant diameter are dipped in water, the rise water will be more in tube of larger diameter, more in tube of smaller diameter, की same in both tube, की zero in both tube. Then correct answer option B, more in tube of smaller diameter. Okay, next question, question number 9. Cooking takes longer time at a high altitude because atmospheric pressure increase, boiling point of water decrease, boiling point of water increase की temperature very low. Then correct answer option B, boiling point of water decrease. Okay, 10 question. In which thermodynamic process does the internal energy of the system remain constant? Isobaric process, isochronic, isothermal, adiabatic process. Then correct answer option C, isothermal process. Okay, 11th question. The electric potential of any point inside a uniformly charged conducting solid sphere is 0, constant and equal to its value of surface. Decrease the distance from center, increase infinitive. Then correct answer option B, constant and equal to its value of surface. Okay, 12 question देखते हैं। When two capacitors of capacitance C are connected in series, their equivalent capacitance is 2C, C by 2, C की 4C. Then correct answer option B, C by 2. Okay. Next question, question number 13. Specific resistivity of wire depends upon its length, cross-sectional area, material and temperature की mass. Then correct answer option C, material and temperature. Okay. 14 question. Kirchhoff's second law loop rule in based on conversion of charge, momentum, mass, energy. Then correct answer option D, energy. Okay. Next question 15. At a place where the horizontal component of Earth magnetic field is equal to its vertical component of angle dip is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree. Then correct answer option C, 45 degree. Okay. 16th question. The self-induction of coil is measured of its electrical inertia, magnetic field strength, electrical resistance, induced EMF. Then correct answer option A, electrical inertia. Okay. 17th question. In an AC circuit containing a inductor and a capacitor in series, resonance occurs when inducing reactance is greater than capacitance resistance, inducing resistance is equal to capacity reactance, total resistance is maximum, the power factor is 0. Then correct answer option B, inductive reactant is equal to capacity reactant. Okay. 18 question. Displacement current arise due to flow of free electron, time varying electric field, constant magnetic field, flow of positive ion. Then correct answer option B, time varying electric field. Okay. Next question, question number 19. For total internal reflection to occur, light must travel from rare medium to denser medium to rare, air to water, ki vacuum to glass. Then correct answer option B, denser medium to rare medium. Okay. 20 question. When a convex lens is dipped in the liquid whose reflective index is equal to that of the lens, its focal length becomes 0, infinity, remain unchanged, decrease. Then correct answer option B, become infinite. Okay. 21 question. Wavefront is a locus of all points vibrating in the same phase, opposite phase, random phase की phase difference of 90 degree. Then correct answer option A, same phase. Okay. Next question, 22 question. Work function of metal surface depends upon intensity of incident light, nature of metal surface, frequency of incident light, velocity of photon. Then correct answer option B, nature of the metal surface. Okay. 23 question. Bohr model of hydrogen atom angular momentum of electron is quality as a integral multiple of. Then correct answer option A, h by 2 pi. Okay. 24 question. In a n-type semiconductor the majority charge carrier is. Then correct answer option B, holes. Okay. आगे देखते हैं केमिस्ट्री का क्वेश्चन सब है. ठीक है. तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या है केमिस्ट्री का? Which quantum number determine the orientation of an orbital in space? Principal quantum, azimuthal quantum, magnetic quantum की spin quantum. Then correct answer option C, magnetic quantum number. Okay. Second question. Highest bond order. ठीक है. O2, N2, C2, Fb2. Then correct answer option B, N2. Okay. Third question. Hybridization of boron in BCl3, sp, sp2, sp3 की sp3d. Then correct answer option B, sp2. Okay. Next question, fourth question. The conjugate base of SO4 minus is. Then correct answer option B, SO4 2 minus. Okay. Next question, question number 5. For a spontaneous reaction of all temperature, the condition are. Then correct answer option C, H is equal H 0, फिर है यहाँ पे S ज्यादा है. ठीक है. आगे देखते हैं 6th question. Which alkyl metal is the strongest reducing agent in an aqueous solution? Lithium, sodium, potassium, calcium. Then correct answer option A, lithium. Okay. 7th question. What is the composition of water gas? CO plus S2, CO plus N2, CO2 plus S2, CH4 plus O2. Then correct answer option A, CO plus S2. Okay. 8th question. IUPAC name of compound of इतना. इसका IUPAC नाम बताना तो उसका करेक्ट हो जाएगा ऑप्शन ए, मेथॉक्सी एथेन. ठीक है. आगे देखते हैं 19 क्वेश्चन. 9. Which effect involves the complete transfer or a shear pair of pi electron to one of the atom in the presence of attaching reagent? Inducing effect, electromagnetic effect, resonance effect, hyperconjugation. Then correct answer option B, electromagnetic effect. Okay. Next question, question number 10. So, key defect is a crystal is observed when an iron leave its normal side to and occupy an interstitial side. Equal number of cation and anion are missing from lattice. Ki only cation are missing from the lattice. Ki impurity ions are added in lattice. Then correct answer option B, equal number of cation and anion are missing from the lattice. Okay. 11th question. Pure boil water boil at 100 degrees Celsius. If glucose is added, is the boiling point of resulting solution will be exactly 100 degrees Celsius, less than 100 degrees Celsius ki more than 100 degrees Celsius ki unpredictable. Then correct answer option C, more than 100 degrees Celsius. Okay. 12th question. The Cl potential is standard hydrogen electrode. Then correct answer option B, 0 volt. Okay. आगे देखते हैं 13 question. In the half-life period, the first order reaction is itna, the rate of constant is, then correct answer option A, 1 second minus 1. Okay. 14 question. Tyndall effect is shown by which of the following? True solution, colloidal solution, sugar solution ki Schär solution. Then correct answer option B, colloidal solution. Okay. 15 question. Flotation process in which the concentration of which type of ores, oxide ores, carbonate ores, sulfide ores, nitrate ores. Then correct answer option C, sulfide ore. Okay. 16 question. Which of the following noble gas is most abundant in the atmosphere? Helium, neon, argon, krypton. Then correct answer option C, argon. Okay. Next question 17. In which of the ions are colorless aqueous solution due to the absence of unpaired electron? Then correct answer option C, Sc3+. Okay. 18 question. Which type of isomeric is shown by this? इसमें से कौन सा? लीकेज आइसोमेरिज्म, आयनाइजेशन आइसोमेरिज्म, कोऑर्डिनेशन आइसोमेरिज्म की सॉल्वेट आइसोमेरिज्म. देन करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन बी, आयनाइजेशन आइसोमेरिज्म. ओके. 19 question. When alkyl halides are treated with alcoholic chaos, the major product form is alcohol, alkene, alkane, ether. Then correct answer option B, alkene. Okay. 20 question. Riemann-Tiemann reaction converts phenol into salicylic salicylic acid, ki benzene, ki benzoic acid. Then correct answer option A, salicylic. Okay. Next question, 21 question. Which of the following compound give positive iodoform test? Methanol, ethanol, benzoaldehyde, ki diethyl ketone. Then correct answer option B, ethanol. Okay. 22 question. Deficiency of vitamin D cause the which of disease? Scurvy, rickets, night blindness ki beriberi. Then correct answer option B, rickets. Okay. 23 question. Neon 6 is example of which type of polymer? Polyester, polyamide, polysaccharide ki polyethylene. Then correct answer option B, polyamide. ठीक है. 24 question. Terene dacron is a condensation polymer ethyl glycol and its tetrate fatty acid. ओके. अब हम लोग बायोलॉजी के क्वेश्चंस देखेंगे. तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या है बायोलॉजी का? Which of the following element is a structure component of chlorophyll molecule? Iron, manganese, magnesium, zinc. Then correct answer option C, magnesium. Okay. Second question. The stage of prophase first in which a homologous chromosome under pairing synapses is leptotin, zygotin, pachytin, diplotin. Then correct answer option B, zygotin. Okay. Next question. Question number 3. Which of the following hormone is synthesis and widely used to effective VCD 2,4-D? Natural oxygen, synthetic oxygen, gibberellin की cytokine. Then correct answer option B, synthetic oxygen. आगे देखते हैं 4th question. The pacemaker of human heart which initiates the cardiac impulse is AV node, Purkinje fiber, SA node की bundle of his. Then correct answer option number C, SA node. Okay. Next question, question number 5. Which structure part of human nephron is primarily lined with brushed border colloidal epithelium, minimum reabsorption, Henle loop, DCT, PCT, Bowman capsule? Then correct answer option C, PCT, proximal convoluted tubules. Okay. Next question. Question number 6. The human reproduction, the process of spermiogenesis refers initially to formation of spermatid from spermatogonia, transformation of spermid into mature Spermatozoa release the spermatozoa from Sertoli cell की meiotic division of primary spermatocyte. Then correct answer option B. Transformation of spermid into mature spermatozoa. Okay. 7 question. Which genetics disorder is caused by the presence of a additional copy of X chromosome resulting in the karyotype of 47XXY? Turner syndrome, Down syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome की thalassemia. Then correct answer option C. Klinefelter syndrome. ठीक है. Next question. According to the lac operant model, the structure gene or which on when lactase bind to the operator gene, promoter gene, representer gene, protein की regulatory gene. Then correct answer option C. Repressor protein. Okay. Next question. Question number 9. Restriction endonuclease are also known as molecular seizure because they cut DNA at any random size, any random signal standard region, the hydroxyl end of sugar phosphate backbone, specific palindromic nucleotide sequence की the polyadenile signal. Then correct answer option C. Specific palindromic nucleotide sequence. Okay. Next question. Question number 10. The primary storage from the energy in animal tissue localized in a liver and muscles in starch, cellulose, glycose and sucrose. Then correct answer option C. Glycogen. Okay. 11 question. Which major plant growth regulator act as a general plant growth inhibitor and induce the closure of stomata under stress? Ethylene, ABA, gibberellin acid, auxin. Then correct answer option B. Abscisic acid. Okay. Next question. Question number 12. The structure component of human hemoglobin responsible for the binding of oxygen contain magnesium ion, copper ion, calcium ion. Then correct answer option C. Iron. Okay. Next question. Question number 13. The genetic engineering the enzyme utilized to the chemically join a linked fragment of DNA together is DNA polymerase, restriction endonuclease, DNA ligase, RNA polymerase. Then correct answer option C. DNA ligase. Okay. 14 question. The term in situ conservation refers especially to the protective of biodiversity outside its natural habitat in artificial enclosure, in botanical garden and zoo exclusively within its own natural habitat and ecosystem through gene bank and observation. Then correct answer option C. Within its own natural habitat and ecosystem. Okay, next question. Question number 15. The first clinical application of gene therapy in 1990 was successfully administered to 4-year-old girl suffering from cystic fibrosis, adenosine deaminase की sickle cell anemia की hypophilia. Then correct answer option B. Adenosine deaminase deficiency. Okay. Next question. Question number 16. The specific part of human brain that contain vital center for regulating respiration, cardiovascular reflection and gastric secretion. Cerebellum, medulla oblongata के hypothalamus. Then correct answer option C. Medulla oblongata. Okay. 17 question देखते हैं. Which of the following statements strictly define the ecological term niche? Okay. Then correct answer option B. The functional role and position of the species, its ecosystem. Okay. 18 question. The association of fungi with roots of a higher vascular plant of mutualism relationship is called lichen, mycorrhiza, mycelium, nodules. Then correct answer option B. Mycorrhiza. Okay. Next question. Question number 19. Which category's ecological pyramid can never be inverted and it's always upright into the stable ecosystem? Pyramid of biomass, pyramid of numbers, pyramid of energy की pyramid of population. Then correct answer option C. Pyramid of energy. Okay. 20 question. In a high density human population, the primary barrier of mechanism that physically blocks and the entry of foreign pathogen through skin. Physiological barrier, cellular barrier, physical barrier के cytokine barrier. Then correct answer option C, physical barrier. Okay. Next question, 21 question. The synthesis of polypeptide protein chain based on the nucleotide sequence of an mRNA molecule is known as transcription, translation, replication, transformation. Then correct answer option B, translation. Okay. Second question, 22 question. The structure configuration of tRNA molecule that looks like a clover leaf in 2D layout is functional responsible are carrying structure amino acid to ribosome, synthesis ribosome subunit, unwinding double stranded genomic DNA, initial transcription inside nucleus. Then correct answer option A, carrying structure amino acid to ribosome. Okay. 23 questions. Which historical conference was organized in Rio de Janeiro 1992 to address the critical challenge of biodiversity conservation? Then correct answer option A, the Earth Summit. Okay. 24 question. In the absence of fertilization, the human female, the degradation of corpus luteum direct trigger. Then correct answer option C, B, maturation. ओके अब हम लोग नर्सिंग एप्टीट्यूड के क्वेश्चंस करेंगे. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या है? फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज which of the standard ratio the chest compression of rescue breath in adult CPR? तो ये आपका ऑप्शन सी 30:2. ओके. सेकंड क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड. Which instrument is primarily used to nurse listen the internal sound of patient Hausla? Endoscope, stethoscope, otoscope with thermoscope. तो आपका ऑप्शन नंबर बी स्टेथोस्कोप. ओके. थर्ड क्वेश्चन. What does the abbreviation of NPO means? The patient medical order. तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन बी नथिंग बाय माउथ. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Which parameter does the Glasgow Coma scale assess in patient? The level of conscious and neurological state, respiratory reflexes, nutrition intake level की blood glucose. तो करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन ए level of consciousness and neurological status. Okay. Next question, question number 5. What is the primary mode of transmission of hepatitis A virus? Fecal oral route, blood transfusion, sexual contact, airborne droplets. Then correct answer option A, fecal oral route. Okay. Next question, question number 6. What is the full form of ANA in Indian Nursing of Rural Health Framework? तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन बी ऑक्सिलरी नर्स midwifery. ओके. आगे देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. The global theme celebrate annually on the International Nurse Day. तो वह आपका ऑप्शन सी 12 मई. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. Which of the following describe dyspnea? Difficulty of shortness of breathing, difficulty in swallowing food, inability to speak clearly, irregular heartbeat. तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन है difficulty of shortness of breathing. Okay. Next question, question number 9. Defense mechanism of the client using the rescue of to assess the terminal medical diagnosis, projection, rationalization, denial, recreation. Then correct answer option C, denial. Okay. Next question, question number 10. What is the normal pulse rate of healthy resting adult? तो आपका ऑप्शन बी 60 to 100 बीट पर मिनट. ओके. 11 क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. Which of the following is example of objective data sign in nursing assessment? Patient static, they feel dizzy. कि patient complaining of severe headache. Recorded blood pressure regarding 140-90 mmHg. कि patient expressing feeling anxious. Then correct answer option C, a recorded blood pressure reading of 140-90 mmHg. Okay. 12 question. What type of isolation precaution mandatory of the patient admitted to active measles and chickenpox? तो है आपका ऑप्शन सी airborne precaution. Okay. Next question. Question number 13. Which of the following consider the primary chemical barrier of the human body against microbial invasion? Intake skin layer, acidic pH of gastric juice in stomach, cilia and respiratory tract, WBC. Then correct answer option B, acidic pH of gastric juice in stomach. Okay. Next question. Question number 14. What is the standard color of container used to discard containing sharp object like needle and scalpel? So we have option A, white and translucent proof puncture proof container. Okay. Next question, question number 15. What term is used to define abnormal high respiratory rate greater than 20 breath per minute in adult? Brachypnea, trachypnea, apnea, eupnea. Then correct answer option B, trachypnea. Okay. Next question, question number 16. Which position is best suitable to prevent pressure also bed sore for the heel, sacrum or immobilized bedridden? So the correct option B, regular position changing 30-degree lateral turn every 2 hours. Okay. 17 question. What is the primary function of RBC in human blood? Human body. Produce antibody against pathogen to transport oxygen from lungs to body tissue की to enhance blood clotting mechanism की to maintain fluid balance. Then correct answer option B, to transfer oxygen from lung to the body tissue. Okay. 18 question. Which method of temperature measures provide the closest approximations to the actual core body temperature? तो इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन सी, रेक्टल मेथड. ओके. 19 question. In nursing documentation, what is the core purpose of utilizing a SOAP note formation? Then correct answer option B, to strict clinical propose notes systematically. Okay. 20 question. What is the primary dietary advice the nurse should offer the patient diagnosed with the chronic hypertension? Then correct answer option B, restrict dietary sodium salt intake. Okay. Next question. Question number 21. Which type of immunity acquired when a child received the routine vaccine like BCG and RDPT? तो इसका correct option है option A, active artificial immunity. Okay. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 22. नेचुरल पेस मेकर, तो आपका ऑप्शन बी, एसए नोड. ओके. 23 क्वेश्चन है थेरापेटिक पर्पस ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिंग एंटीपायरेटिक ड्रग ऑफ पेशेंट, तो आपका ऑप्शन ए, टू रिड्यूस एलिवेटेड बॉडी टेम्परेचर. ठीक है. एंटीपायरेटिक वो है फीवर का दवा है. ठीक है. आगे देखते हैं 24 क्वेश्चन. What is the primary ethical concept demonstrated when the nurse honor patient right to refuse the proposed treatment plan? Then correct answer option C, autonomy. Okay. अब हम लोग इंग्लिश के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या है इंग्लिश का हमारा? appropriate the number of nursing applicant dash increase significantly this year. Then correct answer option B, has. Okay. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड. इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. ठीक है. इसको चेंज करना है. तो द डॉक्टर सेड टू द पेशेंट दैट टेक्स दिस मेडिसिन ट्वाइस डे अंटिल रिकवरी. देन करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन बी, द डॉक्टर एडवाइज द पेशेंट टू टेक दोज मेडिसिन ट्वाइस अ डे अंटिल रिकवरी. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. करेक्ट पोजीशन बताना. द सीनियर नर्स कॉन्जुलेट हर टीम डैश completing the vaccination drive successfully. Then correct answer option C, on. ठीक है. Next question, question number 4. Choose the correct accurate passive voice. The lab technician is analyze the blood sample. Then correct answer option C, the blood sample are being analyzed by the lab technician. Okay. Next question, question number 5. Correct article, he is dash honorable member of the Medical Council of India. Then correct answer option B, an. Okay. 6th question. Grammatically error. Neither the chief surgeon nor a registered doctor was the present in ICU, non-error. Then correct answer option C was the present in ICU. Okay. 7 question. अंडरलाइन बताना है, एनोनिम्स बताना है, एविडेंस, एविडेंस का एनोनिम्स क्या होगा तो आपका ऑप्शन बी हिडन हो जाएगा. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 8. सिनोनिम्स बताना है ब्रेवे ब्रेनेवलेंट का, तो ब्रेनेवलेंट का क्या सिनोनिम्स ऑप्शन बी काइंड. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. असर्टिव सेंटेंस को एक्सक्लेमेटिव सेंटेंस में बताना है. ठीक है. इट इज अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल हॉस्पिटल कैंपस. देन करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन ए, व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल हॉस्पिटल कैंपस इज, it is. Okay. Next question, question number 10. One word substitution. A person who specializes the study and treatment of the skin disease. Then correct answer option B, dermatologist. Okay. 11 question. Correct spelling बताना है hygiene का, तो आपका ऑप्शन A. ठीक है. 12 question. Accurate tense बताना है she is dash hard, she will easy to clear the cnet entrance exam. Then correct answer option B, works. Okay. 13 question. Absolute meaning of items. One, the midnight oil, तो उसका करेक्ट हो जाएगा ऑप्शन बी, टू वर्क और स्टडी लेट इनटू द नाइट. ओके. 14 क्वेश्चन. अप्रोप्रिएट मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी बताना, वी डैश follow the hospital traffic rule and safety regulation. Then correct answer option C, must. Okay. 15 question. पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच बताना, अंडरलाइन का ब्रेव का, तो आपका ऑप्शन बी एडजेक्टिव है. ओके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. क्वेश्चन टैग बताना है इसमें, सी हार्डली इवर अराइव लास्ट फॉर हर शिफ्ट. देन करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन सी, डज शी. ओके. 17 क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. चूज द करेक्ट सेंटेंस बताना. टू को स्ट्रक्चर का अप्रेजली करना है. द पेशेंट इज टू वॉक विदाउट सपोर्ट. देन करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन बी, द पेशेंट इज सो वीक that he cannot walk without support. Okay. 18 question. Appropriate pronoun बताना. Every doctor and every nurse must perform dash duty without absolute dedication. Then correct answer option B, his or her. Okay. Next question 19. Phrasal verb बताना है call off, तो इसका करेक्ट होगा ऑप्शन A, to cancel something. Okay. 20. verb बताना है admit का, तो आपका ऑप्शन B है admission. 21 क्वेश्चन. कंपैरेटिव डिग्री है. To no other student in the nursing class is as smart as Kavita. Then correct answer option है Kavita is smarter than any other student in the nursing class. Okay. 22 क्वेश्चन. कंजक्शन सुटेबल बताना है. He studied diligently he failed to secure the top rank. Then correct answer option है although he studied diligent yet he failed to secure the top rank. Okay. 23 question. correct position बताना है. The medical board did not agree dash his aggressive treatment proposal. Then correct answer option B, 2. Okay. last question. correct पंचुअल बताना, तो आपका ऑप्शन सी है alas cried the nurse is no more, sorry the patient is no more. ओके. तो आज के लिए इतना ही. अगर हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो लाइक कीजिए, हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक यू.